Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now guys. So welcome back to another video about TRX. Guys, in this video I'm talking about Tron TRX crypto latest price update. What's the price changes occurring in the TRX, and we are also talking about the future move. We are also doing a technical analysis of TRX, that what will be what is going on in a TRX. Let me show you guys. But guys, please subscribe now our channel for more update and news videos. Guys, the right now price of TRX Tron in the market is about 0.095649 USD dollar. That is the right now price of TRX Tron in the market. And furthermore, as you can see here guys, that the change is wow, that's good. And that the last 1 hour changes of TRX is positive 1.35%. Last one day change is about negative 0.77%. Last 1 week change is also positive 15.07%. So these all changes is going positive in the market, guys. So I really love these positive changes, guys. And guys, you know what, TRX is also a low price coin, so I think TRX is also a good coin for investment. But if you hold TRX for a long time, so I believe that they will give you a huge profit if you just hold for long time, guys. Anyways, now I suggest for my viewers, my subscriber, those people who's holding TRX, so guys, just hold for a long time. Obviously if you hold for a long time, so you will get a huge profit, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.